Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So in today's recipe, we're going to be making delicious and inviting hot catfish pepper soup. So guys, this is one of the best food, the best treatment you can give to your body in this cold winter weather. So let's get started as I take you through all the list of the ingredients we're going to be using to make our delicious catfish pepper soup. So guys, we're going to be using some catfish. You can use any fish of your choice, some mint leaf, mangi, ginger, 3 Scotch bonnet pepper, half red bell pepper, and 1 spring onion. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using, and we're also going to be using already grinded pepper soup spice. So in this pepper soup spice, I have some calabash nutmeg, some lemongrass, alligator pepper, all blended in here. You can get them from your African shop or from Nigeria. I'm also using some grinded crayfish, salt, half yam to add to it. This is optional. You can use plantain, Irish potato, but for me, I'm just going to stick with yam. If you like, you can skip it. So I'm also going to be using 1 onion. At this moment, the catfish is already washed. I washed it with some salt and lemon to take off the sliminess in it, and some warm hot water. So I just added the yam, chopped onion, chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, and red bell pepper. Some salt to taste. One chicken stock powder. That's the pepper soup spices there. Crayfish. And at this moment, you're going to add enough water to cover up the fish. You're going to add enough water because this is the water that you're going to use to enjoy your catfish pepper soup, as this is very good for the body in this winter period. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. At this point, it's been cooking for about 15 minutes. So right now, I'm just going to add in the fresh mint leaf. It's been cooking here for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to add the mint leaf, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 10 more minutes. So guys, this pepper soup is very good for your body in this winter period, and as it is medicinal, it is good to fight the cold. It is good to fight some of this cold flu. So it's very good, and make sure you have enough spice to make it very hot. So at this moment, I'm going to add in the spring onion and allow it to cook for just a minute. This spring onion is very good also, as it's going to give it that nice aroma and nice taste. You're going to feel your pepper soup very delicious. So guys, at this moment, my pepper soup is ready. You can see how smoky hot it is. This is how you want it to be. This is how you want to enjoy it, hot and spicy. So thank you very much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post new video. Like, comment, and share this to your friends so they can enjoy this winter. Thank you.